Not so long ago, Wally discovered that I liked to play golf, and then he completely took over my little pad as his own personal pee pad. So great for him, not so great for my golf game, which is why we got the incredible Stain and Odor Eliminator by Rocco and Roxie. Now, I already put this in, and this is how I use it because I like it in spray form. It is 1-to-1, basically no dilution. This is what they recommend. And all I have to do is completely douse this area. It is safe for him. He can still use it, but at least the odor is not going to remain. So I can just douse it completely. It will dry, and at least I won't have these odors come off the pad, and where we're eating outdoors, we can smell it, and I don't have to smell his pee all day long when I'm playing golf or just barbecuing, right? So Rocco and Roxie, a fantastic product that works instantly, mind you, and you can even use it with your laundry, which is awesome because you know you can have some mishaps with your clothes. Just use it in the laundry room, and all of those odors and stains will disappear.